Alright guys, clear winner here for me. Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're smoking pork spare ribs. But we're gonna do showdown today between butcher paper and foil. So how this is gonna work is I have 2 racks in there. Both of them are prepped and seasoned with just salt and pepper, just to keep it super simple. I'm gonna smoke these for until I like the color, which is gonna be 4 to 5 hours. We'll see how it goes. We got the smoker running right now, the mill scale at 250 degrees. Once it hits the color I like, we're gonna pull them both off, wrap one in foil, one in butcher paper, throw them back on the smoker, let them finish. And then when they're done, we're gonna compare a few things. One, we're gonna see just how they look visually. Does one look better than the other? 2, we're gonna see the smokiness, right? So how much smoke flavor it comes with each. 3, we're gonna test the tenderness. See which one's got the more juicy bite. And then 4, just overall which one I think is the better move, and you guys can see for yourself. So comment below if you guys which one you guys like doing. Have you tried doing a test like this? Let me know. But I'm gonna let these smoke for another couple hours here. I'll check back with you in another 1 or 2 hours, and we can see how they look. So we'll see you soon. Okay, it's been about 2.5 hours, so let's take a look at these. Okay, this is what we're looking at. 2.5 hours. They're looking a little dry on the top, so I'm gonna spray these with a little bit of water, apple cider vinegar mix. Alright, I'll check back in a few hours. Hey guys, it's been about 4.5 hours. I spritzed these things one at a time about 45 minutes ago. Let's check them out, see what they're looking like. Damn. Shit. All right, this is 4.5 hours in, so I'm loving the color on these. I'm definitely gonna wrap. So let's get these. Let me get some gloves on, and we'll pull these boys out. In case you were wondering, temperatures in the 160s. I like the color. I'm gonna pull them. So let me get some gloves on, and we'll get these things off. Alright, these are back on. We're gonna crank up the temp to about 320 to 350 and finish these boys off. So, see you in a bit. Okay guys, we're probing tender. We're about 203 to 207 up and down the rib. The foil one finished about 40 minutes ago. Not surprised one bit that one finished early. So let me pull this guy off, let it rest about 40 minutes, and then we'll take a look at both and see what we got. So stay tuned. Okay, ribs are done resting. It's showtime. So let's see which one of these are the winner here. So starting out, visually, both of these look great. I would probably give the slight edge to the foil, but it's literally, they both look very similar. I'm gonna cut in and eat the fourth bone for each of these just to give it an equal comparison here. So let me cut into this foil one and see what we got. Okay, fourth bone in, foil. Let's give this a taste. So definitely tender. Cooked perfectly. Smoke flavor is pretty solid. Paper fourth bone. Let's give it a try here. Alright guys, clear winner here for me. Butcher Paper. It's got to beat in every category, honestly. Just a little bit more tender. I mean, got a subtle more smoke flavor. And just an overall better bite. I mean, they're both good, but if I had to choose, I'd go Paper. So give Paper a try if you haven't already. So see you guys in the next video.